Namaste. In the last video, I have explained how to add the password to the Google form, strong password to the Google form, because some teachers asked me how the children are seeing our Google form without a password, even though we are setting password to the Google form, still they are watching before getting the password, the questions and options. And that's why today I am going to explain how to hide the questions and options from the students. Even though it is password protected, children are seeing the question and options. So before getting the password, they are opening the Google form. So how can we avoid this? How can we stop children from seeing the questions and options before getting the password? Okay, that we are going to discuss in this video. Children can open only after getting the password these questions and options. Without password, they cannot open this Google form if you use this a small technique. Okay, I'm going to explain, and before going to the video, those who are watching this channel first time, subscribe. If you want to get the technique we can use in the classroom, whenever I am posting as a notification, please press the bell icon also when you subscribe. And if you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends also. We can go to the video. I have made here one Google form that is named science test. You can see here science test. I am opening this. Teachers, first you have to make the Google form which you are going to give to the children. Okay, with the questions and options. Google form, you give a children's name, student's name, type your class, division, everything you have to set in the main MCQ Google. Okay, in the same folder, you make one more Google form for the password only. Listen, this is the technique. You make the real Google form with all the questions and options, and to type their name, class, roll number, everything. That you make one Google form without a password, and you make one more Google form with a password protected Google form. So two Google form. To make this password protected Google form, I think you need only 2 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. More than that, no need. Okay. So give the heading and a passcode, use it. So two Google form at first you make in Google Drive. Okay. Then first you have to open the real MCQ Google form. I am opening this. This is the real MCQ Google form. Here you can say type your name and type your class and divisions. After that, second section. After that, in the second section, you can see question and options. Question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, and all the options also in this Google form. Everything is ready. And we have to take the link of this Google form. That is the first step. To take the link, first click in the send button right side top. I am clicking here, send. Now you will get one more window. So you click in the link. So you can see a long link here in this box. It is very long. If you think it is very long, you can very easily shorten the link, this URL, okay, by clicking in this box. Now the link shortened. See, only this much. This link we have to copy by clicking here. So I am copying this one link. Now this link copied, it is in the clipboard. So now we go back to the Google Drive folder. Now open the second Google form. First Google form link we took, second Google form we are opening. Then we are going to paste that link in this Google form. How to paste this one? In this Google form, I have given only the heading and type the passcode, only nothing else. Okay, that you know. And how to give the strong password, how to give a what is the best way to give the good password, that is you please watch my previous video, then only you come here. Then make the password portion, and this is password protected Google form. I am going to paste that link here. how to paste this link. For that, you open the gear wheel. You can see this is settings button. Okay, this is a gear wheel. Open that, click on that gear wheel. You can see this window. In this window, you select this presentation. If it is a tick here, you have to show link, submit another response. Tick is there. If it is there, you untick that one. Then just below, you can see a confirmation message box. Okay, this is our technique. In this box, we are doing our techniques. So confirmation message box, you can see, you click just below that heading, then you can paste that link which you copied. So this is the link of that real Google form, real MCQ. This is the link. Now just top of this link, if you need, you can type one message also to children. Click on the link given below to get MCQ test. Okay, now we can save this one. We are saving this one. Now it is saved. Now teachers, you go to the Google Classroom and send this Google form to students' classroom. This Google form you send to the Google Classroom. So what will happen if they are getting this Google form? When they are getting the Google form, they will get this. In this condition, they will get. They have typed the password here. Then only they can move. If they are trying to view page source, nothing we can see. There only that view page source code, the questions and answers options, nothing they can see. Only that we typed the heading, no, that heading only they can see. They cannot see the questions options. After giving the password only, they can move to the next option or next set. Next, see, I will show you. After giving the password, I am typing. When after giving the password, they will get that link. When they click link, only they will get that real Google form. Okay. So only one thing, you have to give a strong password. They cannot break the password. If they can break the password, they will reach here also easily. So only one thing, at first you study how to give the strong password. I hope you understood how to set the Google form to stop the children, to stop the students from taking the questions and options before getting the password. Without password, how can we stop children? Okay, it is very easy, simple method. You try to do this. Those who want to use this, please try in your classroom. If you like this video, please subscribe this video to get this type of technique to use in your classroom. And many things we have to study. Wait for the next video, the next trick which you can use in the classroom. We can meet again with a new topic in the next time. Till then, goodbye.